Stop, stop, stop. Here.
What are you doing, Troy?
Don't touch the egg. Troy. He's trying to just grab it. Don't put your hand in. Stop, Troy. I got it. Let go. Let go. Here, I'll get it for you, and then you can lift it out. Get it out. Here, help me. Troy, help me. Help me grab. Ooh, man, I'm pulling hard. Ooh, you almost fell, didn't you? Here, let me get it. Just grab it. Not gonna hurt my hands.
And do another.
Now you want to put it. So you want to put one in this one? Here, here, wait. We gotta put the egg on it. Go on, Troy. That one. Okay, let go. Let go. So you can dump it.
Are you coloring eggs? Is it fun?
Here, you help me with that one. I want to get mine. I want to get mine made. Let's see this. Oh well. I might get mixed up a little bit.
You having fun, Troy? You like it? It's eggs. Is it for the Easter bunny?
Oh, I thought it was in that one. Right. I feel stupid now.